Good day, everyone. We are Empanova, a team composed of Martinez John Justin, Rosero Christian Daniel, and Zabala Jamie. Today, we will be presenting our feasibility-driven business plan with integrated management functions and engineering management. Our project centers on a modern fusion food concept that blends Filipino flavors with global influences. Empanova is our proposed innovative food venture featuring handcrafted fusion empanadas. Our business brings together rich Filipino flavors and global inspirations, offering a unique and modern take on a classic snack. In this presentation, we will walk you through project background, operational structure, and the strategic plans behind Empanova. Next slide, please. These are the key sections of our business plan. First, we will introduce our business description, followed by the organizational plan and operational plan. We will then discuss our scalability and growth strategy, marketing plan, financial plan, and how we applied management functions throughout the business model. Finally, we will conclude with insights on Ampanova's long-term potential. Next slide, please. Empanova is a fusion food startup that blends Filipino cuisine with Mexican-inspired elements. Our signature product include humba empanada and taco empanada, wrapped in a crispy golden shell for both convenience and flavor. The goal is to offer food that feels familiar yet exciting. High quality, locally sourced, and crafted with consistency and safety in mind. Designed for busy individuals and food lovers aged 18 to 45. Empanova positioned itself as a creative and culturally inspired modern food brand. Next slide. Next slide, please. Empanova operates as a general partnership with equal ownership among three partners. Each member handles a specialized role. Rosero leads product development and kitchen operations. Martinez oversees quality control and logistics and inventory, and Isabella manages finance, marketing, and customer service. The business secures all essential permits and compliance requirements, such as business registration, BIR, FDA food safety, and employee benefit contributions. Our hybrid organizational structure ensures clear leadership while allowing flexibility and efficient workflow.
Product line. Allow me to present the operational plans of Empanova. Our operations follow a structured workflow designed to ensure consistency, product safety, and efficiency. We begin with raw material sourcing. Where all ingredients are obtained from reputable and certified supplier. Each item undergoes strict inspections to guarantee freshness and compliance with food safety standards. Next is preparations and productions. Where the teams adheres to standardized recipe and established SOP. This ensures uniformly quality, minimize waste, and maintain efficiency during each production cycles. The third stage is assembly and cooking. Empanadas are portions accurately using digital scales. Assembly uniformly and cook following controls procedures to achieve a consistency, textures, and flavor profile. For packaging and storage, products are wrapped in parchment paper to protect them from contaminations. The business applies the FIFO or first in, first out method. This is to preserve product freshness and manage inventory effectively. Finally, we implement a strict quality control and food safety system. Which includes inspections before, during, and after productions. Only products that pass all quality checks are approved for release. To support operational, we use several tools and systems including Google Sheets, for inventory monitoring. So POS system for sales trackings and customers feedback forms to guide continuous improvement. So decision making is data driven and based on the weekly evaluations of performance and sales trends and customer feedbacks. Next po. So our scalability and growth plans outlines our strategic directions for the next 5 years. Within the first year, our focus is to establish a strong local presence by building customer loyalty, improving brand identity, and operating in at least two selling locations such as food parks or market. So we aim to average 100 empanadas sold per day, strengthens our social media presence, and launch delivery service through platforms such as GrabFood or Foodpanda. So by the third year, we plan to significantly expand our operation by managing 5 to 10 KOS within nearby towns and cities. So we also expect to launch frozen versions of Humba and Taco Empanada. Establish a central productions kitchen to support higher demand and introduce a loyalty programs for repeat customers. By the fifth year, Empanova aims to become nationally recognized brand. So our long-term objectives includes expanding to more than 20 branches, distributing our frozen products to large supermarket, and developing a complete franchise model supports by standards, trainings, and operational system. So these short and long-term goals demonstrate a clear and realistic path towards sustainable business expansions. Next. And for marketing plans, so our marketing plans focus on differentiations, customer targetings, and strategic positioning. So Empanova currently offer two flagship product, the Humba Empanada and the Taco Empanada. So these products blend Filipino and Mexican influence, providing a flavor experience that is both culturally and globally inspired. So each empanada is handcrafted and made from premium locally sourced ingredients. In terms of competitions, Empanada distinguishes itself through its unique flavor Mexican fusion concept, unlike traditional Ilocos empanada or commercial bakery styles empanada from chains such as Red Ribbon. Our products provides a more distinctive flavor and profile, so and a premium eating experience at a competitive price. So our target markets consist of individual age 18 to 45. So primarily students, professionals, and food enthusiasts seeking for convenient, high quality snacks. So the business currently operates primarily through online orderings and social media marketings, which allows wider reach and reduce overhead costs. So there is a strong market demands for fusions cuisines in the Philippines, driven by culinary tourisms, evolving consumers' preference, and the influence of social media. So this present flavored environments for Empanada unique product concept. For pricing, the Humba Empanada is offered at 65 pesos, while the Taco Empanada is priced at 60 pesos. So this price balance of portability and profitability considering our premium ingredients and handcrafted preparations. Next.
Our financial plan summarizes the monthly operating costs, including materials, utilities, and product expenses. It highlights the part that partners manage operational themselves to eliminate labor costs while keeping equipment and maintenance minimal. Overall, the plan ensures affordability and sustainability by controlling expenses and competitively pricing the product. For our management function application, this explains how the business applies key management functions, making decision, planning short and long-term goals, organizing work into division, and assign roles through proper staffing. It highlights smooth communication through structured meetings and SOPs to ensure coordination among partners. Finally, it shows how the business maintains control by checking product quality, monitoring output, and using tools like Google Sheet for accurate production tracking. And last, for our conclusion, the conclusion highlights the Empanova is a strong food venture combining Filipino and global flavor, supported by good market positioning and product uniqueness. It explained that current food trends and rising demand for creativity, culture-inspired product give the business strong growth potential. Finally, it states that with efficient operational and quality-focused strategies, Empanova is well-positioned for sustainable success and long-term impact in the fusion food industry. And that's it. Thank you.